Hey guys, welcome to question FM111 or 111 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question uses the same information as question FM110, which is the hectic bicep curls, 1 kilogram on the first day, 2.5 on the second day, 4 on the third day, and increasing at this, following the same pattern, I should say. Now this question reads, the number in kilograms that Max curled on the 10th day is given by, and we've got a bunch of choices here. Now the first main difference you're going to see between A, B, C, D and E is that we're either looking for the 10th term of an arithmetic sequence or the 10th term of a geometric sequence. So if we delve into this a little bit, we've got this series, well we've got this pattern or this sequence I should say occurring in front of us. 1, 2.5, 4. So our first job is to figure out whether this is an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. Now we can test for this. Let's pretend that we are testing to see whether it's a geometric sequence and we were going to take two terms, 1 and 2.5. We're going to take our second term there, 2.5, and divide that by 1, which is equal to 2.5. So if we're following a geometric sequence, 1 times 2.5 will become 2.5, and then to get to our next term, we would times by 2.5 again. And 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25, which isn't 4, so we can pretty safely guess that this is not a geometric sequence. In which case, we're going to now test to see if this is an arithmetic sequence. So if we have our second term, 2.5 minus our first term, that's a difference of 1.5. Excellent, so we're guessing now that we're going up by 1.5 at a time. Now, if we take our 2.5 and add 1.5, that should take us to our next term, which takes us to 4. So yes, we can pretty safely assume that this is an arithmetic sequence increasing by 1.5 at a time, which actually helps us with the next section of this question, or the next step in this question, because we need to find values for both A and D in order to get the correct answer to this question. Now, both our options A and B tell us that A, which is our first term, our starting value is 1, and we can see that pretty clearly up here. Our starting value in this sequence is 1. The only difference between the two is the difference. So option A gives us a difference of 0.5, and option D gives us a difference of 1.5. Now, as we saw before, the difference that we calculated is 1.5, meaning that our answer to this question, FM111, is option B. If you guys have any questions about that, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.